How to make $300 fast. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I will show you how to make $300 fast, how to make $300 in a single day. And this is a strategy that is newbie friendly and you can start today without paying anything up front. So if I would be forced to start making money online from scratch, this is what I would do personally, okay? I know that this stuff works. Some people make thousands of dollars per month with it. And why $300? Where $300 every single day is $10,000 per month, and it is 6 figures per year. So it is a great goal to achieve. Before I'm going to show you how to make $300 fast, make sure to smash the like button, make sure to subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you just want to say hi. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. I have some free courses, free case studies, all my social media. Check it all out. And right now, let me share my screen and let me show you how to make $300 in a day and fast. So the first thing you will need is a clickbank account, okay? You can open a clickbank account for free, and what we will be doing is affiliate marketing, okay? So this is the fast way to make $300 fast, because we will be picking offers that pay hundreds of dollars, okay? So even with just one sale, you will potentially make hundreds of dollars, okay? So what I would recommend is find a niche that you are comfortable in and that you know something about, okay? So obviously you can target make money online, but the make money online or internet marketing or digital business niche is very cutthroat, okay? So you will be competing with a lot of people. That's why it's good to find a niche that maybe is a little bit slower, but you know more about, and you know where to find different communities when it comes to this niche, okay? So clickbank is perfect for this. As you can see, we have a bunch of different niches. We have arts and entertainment as seen on TV, we have education, cooking, food, health and fitness, green products, mobile languages, politics, self-help. We have spirituality, new age, sports, travel. So just pick the one that you are interested in, that you know something about. So obviously my niche is make money online or e-business and e-marketing, but let's go with, so let's check out what kind of products they have in the health and fitness niche, okay? So these are all the products that we can promote, and the cool thing is that you don't have to get approved for promoting anything, okay? On our platforms, the vendor will actually have to approve you. On clickbank, you can just grab your affiliate link and that's it, okay? So the most important thing is to find the right product that pays you $300 or more if you want to know how to make $300 fast, right? So guys, you can sort the results by rank, average conversion, initial conversion, recurring bill, or gravity. So guys, gravity essentially means the more affiliates promote and sell this product, the higher the gravity is, okay? So this is not the best result to go by. It can tell you what is currently selling, but not what can make you the most money, okay? So I would go with initial dollar conversion, okay? And we're gonna go high to low, and as you can see, the highest is $153 per sale. So it means you have to make 2 sales to get $300, okay? So if you want to make $300 in a day, essentially your goal should be to make 2 sales of this product, okay? Some products on clickbank in many different niches pay much more than $300, okay? Sometimes there are different products that pay up to $1,000. So this means you need only 1 sale every 3 days, okay? So just make sure to pick the right product. As you can see, this is proven the biggest blockbuster of 2020, huge EPCs, so earnings per click. So all you have to do right here is just click on promote and click on generate hop links. This is your affiliate link, okay? Now to make it look a little bit better, because you know it's not a link that looks good, we will go to bit.ly. So all we have to do is just copy this link right here, and we can either use bit.ly, which is bit.ly.com, or we can use tinyurl.com. Essentially this will shorten the URL and it will make it look better. So all you have to do is just copy and paste it right here, click on make tiny URL, and you can actually put in whatever you want, okay? So if your name is Sarah, you know, you can just type in Sarah and whatever, and we just click on make tiny URL, and this will be your personalized URL. So as you can see, this is the link right here. It looks much better than this weird looking, you know, d1fb32.clickbank.net. Okay, so this is the first thing. It is optional, but you know, it's always better to make the link actually look good Now going back to clickbank, you can actually get all the information on the affiliate page. Okay, so let's open this up, and normally you will get like email swipes, you will get all the information that the vendor provides for the affiliates. Okay, this is not super important, but sometimes you can find like some cool banners or some cool graphics or e-covers, etc., that you can use in your promotions. Now what I would recommend you do is go directly to Facebook. So this product is in the health and fitness niche. I would go to Facebook and start adding myself to health and fitness Facebook groups. Okay, so first of all, the most important thing is that I wouldn't use your personal Facebook account. Okay, so once you're going to decide on your niche, just create a separate Facebook account for that niche alone. Okay, so again, if your name is Sarah or whatever, Richard, just create a separate Facebook account for affiliate marketing promotions only, and then just type in health and fitness right here. Let's click on enter, and then let's go for groups. So some of these groups literally have tens of thousands of people in it. So I would just add myself to all of these groups, and you can actually add yourself to hundreds of different groups. I would add myself to groups with at least 1,000 people. Okay, so this is where you're going to be getting all the traffic to your affiliate link. Now this is super targeted. Obviously, if the product is great, you have all the people already interested in health and fitness in these groups. Now very, very important, some of these groups don't allow affiliate links. Okay, some of these groups will allow affiliate links. If the group allows affiliate links, it's super simple. You just share it. I would grab a screenshot from the sales page and just add your affiliate link. Super easy, right? Now for the groups that don't allow an affiliate link, I would go to my profile and I would add the affiliate link right here in my profile. Okay, so I would add a cool picture, I would add maybe a banner related to the product that you want to promote, and then I would add my affiliate link right here. So as you can see, I have my link to Art of Marketing Elite, which is my coaching program. I would add my affiliate link right here, go back to the groups, and then just start interacting with people. Okay, so once you're already inside the group, I would start asking questions, answering questions, just commenting on different posts, essentially being someone that provides value. Okay, so that's why you have to be interested in the niche, you have to know something about the niche, and just be helpful. Once people will see that you are an authority in this niche, they will start checking you out. Okay, so they will check out your profile, they will click on the link. Again, if these groups will allow just sharing links, that's cool, that's perfect. You can just share the link, people click on it. If they buy, you get a commission. If not, just start building your profile and start establishing yourself as someone that is an authority in this niche. And listen, you don't have to be a professional, you don't have to know everything, you just have to know 10% more than all the other people in these groups. So let's click on one of these groups. So obviously I didn't join, so this means that I can't post in it yet, but the free things that you can do once you are inside these groups is essentially just doing a simple post with an image. Then you can go live in some of these groups, which means you can do a Facebook live video. That's the second thing. And the third thing is you can ask questions. So let me actually go to my own group and let me show you how this works. Okay, so this is my own group. You should definitely join it, Art of Marketing Academy. You can find it on Facebook. So as you can see, this would be one of the posts. So just, a simple image, you have the description and your link. So this is the kind of post that you can literally do in seconds. Okay, another kind of a post is a post like this. So I essentially tell people what I'm giving away and I ask them if they want it. So who wants a free case study, how I made $400 with free traffic? Comment me below. Now this is perfect because this creates engagement. So all the people that commented on it are engaged, they want this thing that I'm sharing with them, and they are essentially raising their hands up. Now what I do is I just reply with the same link. So once people say me, I just comment on their post and say, okay, this is the link, just go here. That's the second thing you can do. And again, I didn't really record a Facebook live video in quite a while, but in some of these groups you can just go live, make a Facebook live video, and just have your link in the description of this video. Okay, so I can't really find one of these videos, but I used to go live in my group, probably like once a day. So this is another thing that you can do. And ultimately, I would like you to start your own group, okay? So obviously, if you have a brand new group, you have 0 people in it, but just add yourself to other groups, start adding people that are in these groups as friends, and then just add them to your own group. This way you will start building your own group, and when you have your own group, you can control all the information, okay? So you can change this banner right here on top, you can have a pinned post right here. So this is mine pinned post. Obviously this is something that you're going to be adding your affiliate link to, and then you are essentially creating all of the content for that group. So you can allow people to comment or not, allow people to create posts or not, totally up to you. So this is a perfect way to start getting tons of traffic for your affiliate link. Okay, so guys, again, the most important thing right here is picking the right offer that pays you hundreds of dollars, and then really interacting with all these people that are interested in that niche on Facebook. So probably just sharing your link will not work if you will, again, ask questions, answer questions. Even if someone is not asking for a particular thing, you can just comment on there, you know, give them support, cool information, and then start promoting. Okay, so this is what I would do if I would start from scratch and if I would want to make $300 per day. So this is how to make $300 in a day, how to make $300 fast. I hope you enjoyed it. Try it out. It really works. Again, I know people that make thousands of dollars just promoting different products on Facebook. This is 100% free traffic. You don't pay for it, and you get to keep all the money. So thanks for watching. Again, check out all the links in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.